My name is Nathan Hall. Today I'm showing you how I load and bind down a track skid steer on a flatbed truck. First, you put the chain onto the back of the flatbed. Put the chain into the chain harness on the back of the skid steer. You grab your binder. Put it in the back corner of the flatbed. Make sure it's secure. Pull the chain as hard as you can pull it, so you can reach the most you can reach on the chain, so it's easier to bind down. Put it in the forward spot, bind it forward until the binding chain are tight, there's no slack into the chain. You do the exact same process on the opposite corner of the rear of the machine. You go to the front, you do the same thing, but on the front arm of the skid steer. Put the chain up in the chain harness. And put the chain all the way across the skid steer. Put the chain down through the frame. Attach it to each other. Pull it as hard as you can pull it. Get the chain in the binder. Pull it as hard as you can pull. Pull the chain as hard as you can pull. Get it as far as you can get it. Put that in the right spot. And you tighten it down until there's no slack, and your machine will be fully secured onto the flatbed of the truck, and you'll be fully loaded. New York State DOT regulations